Welcome everybody. My name is Larry Baronis from Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews here in Fort Worth, Texas. I'd like to invite each and every one of you here in the USA and all over the world to Larry's Fountain Pens Zoom Pen Hangout. I've created this so I can bring some excitement in ways that will help you, the people that view my Pen Zoom Hangout, can actually meet my guest that comes on, and they actually get to see faces of the customers that love whatever brands of pens they use. So, very important date. Write this down. Put it in your head. It's going to be really a dynamite show. It's an honor and a privilege for me to have on Zoom Pen Hangout the rep from luxury brand pens, Mr. Bryce Gillette. Now, the brands of pens that they manage would be the Platinum, Benu, Waldman, Noodlers, Converse, Inks, Nebula, Notes, and Ink Miser Inkwells. Bryce parents are the owners and the distributors of these lines of pen brands that I just mentioned. And Mr. Bryce is the U.S. sales manager. So it's all about family. It all ties in together. There's going to be a lot going on. It's going to be interesting. And I really want to invite each and every one of you out there that are listening to come join me and Mr. Announcer. And our co-host will be Frank from Federalist Pens and Paper. I'm sure by now a lot of you already have met Frank, but there may be quite a few people out there that have yet to get to know Frank. Well, by joining in on the Zoom Hangout, you'll be able to meet Frank. And you'll be able to meet the guests that come on from time to time. So again, luxury brand, which represents the Platinum, Benu, Waldman, Noodlers, Converse Inks, Nebula Notes, and Ink Miser Inkwells, which everybody needs one. I know I have 3 of them. On March the 12th at 6:30 p. Central Time. Really important. Bryce Gillette. Again, he is the U.S. sales manager the rep. So, a lot of you may not even know who he is. So this is the time that you will be able to meet the people we don't see. And you actually can put the name with the face and get to know the person. And he can actually see your faces and get to know the people that are interested in these lines or brands of pens. And you can actually ask questions, and he can answer your questions. It's going to be really big. So if you don't show up, that's on you. But it's not every day that you're going to have these types of guests on Zoom, Pen Hangout. They're very busy. It's time consuming. But they are kind enough to come on my Zoom Pen Hangout and meet you guys and hang out with all of us. And we're going to do what all pen enthusiasts do. Talk about pens, right? That's what we do. We get excited. We have all this energy inside us, this love for fountain pens. It's as easy as that. So, I don't think I can make it any more clearer than what I just spoke about. It's going to be huge. Huge. I can't wait for March the 12th to come. I've been waiting for this day to come, and it's almost here. I hope you feel the excitement as I do. I am a true fountain pen lover. I love pens. Really, ballpoint pens, gel pens, you name it, I love it. Mechanical pencils, inks, inkwells, paper, journals, pen cases. I love them because that's where my heart's at. So, come hang out with me. I'm inviting you. What else can I do to convince you? It's going to be a huge show. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be excitement in there. A lot of energy is going to be in there. We're going to be able to meet the sales rep from luxury brand pens, Mr. Bryce himself, Bryce Gillette. Family-owned business. Can't get better than that. What do you think? Folks, I will see you soon. Write this down. Please. Mark it on your calendar. It's going to be huge. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be fun. With that said, see you soon, my friends. Stay safe. God bless. A lot of peace and a lot of love coming your way. And how about some virtual hugs? Get those in there. And don't forget, Frank from Federalist Pens, the co-host, he's going to be right there with us. Thank you, Frank, for all you do for the fountain pen community. Thank you, Frank, for caring and understanding. And as well as your brother Mark. He's in there with you. So I want to give a big shout out to him. And last but not least, to Mr. Frank Overman. He oversees the room. He manages the room. So we're all just waiting for March the 12th at 6:30 Central Time. Take care, folks. Later. Bye-bye.